Hi, my name is Brooke, and today I'm going to be reviewing the app by Sherwin Williams called ColorSnap Visualizer. If you're just moving into a new home or you're a current homeowner and you just want to switch up a room in your house, this app is perfect for you. If you want to get an idea of a certain color scheme without going through the hassle of going back and forth to the store and buying multiple paint samples, then this app will definitely benefit you. Especially everything that's going on with the pandemic, this app definitely makes it a lot easier and safer to do things from home rather than going to the store. Let's get started. Let's open the ColorSnap app. When you open it, you'll realize there are 4 main menu options: Paint, Explore, My Ideas, and Resources. Let's go through them one by one. The first being Paint. There are multiple options to choose from here, but we're going to start with the first one, Instant Paint. This allows you to open your camera and view what a specific color will look like on any wall of your home. So let's click Start Painting. This will open your camera. Make sure that it's a well-lit space so you can get the right idea of what the color will look like in natural light. At the bottom, you'll see the different colors in the palette. We're going to go ahead and delete those and start new. We're going to go to Find Colors. So you can search for specific colors if you have the number or just by name. Or you can go through different options here. We're going to do red. And just click on any color that you want, and you'll see at the bottom that it'll add to your color palette. If there's one that you don't want, you simply click on it and delete it. Now click the color that you want and simply tap the screen, tap the wall, and it'll apply. Now let's go back into the paint section. The next option is Paint a Photo. This allows you to choose any photo from your gallery, a pre-existing photo. You can move it to scale if you'd like. Done. Then you go in and choose the color that you want to apply, and you can apply it to the wall. And it will apply it for you. You can reset, find different colors if you'd like. Let's go back. And the third option, which is my favorite option, the Match a Photo. You can choose any photo from your gallery. Choose this one. You can move it to scale. And it will pinpoint for you specific colors in that photo. If it didn't pick up one that you want, you can simply touch the screen where you want it to, where you want the color. And then at the bottom, you'll see that it gives you all of the colors that are in the photo. And when you click each one, it tells you the name and the color number. You can click on it for more details, and it shows you an example of the color in a room. It also gives you, if you click Color Strip, it'll show you all the examples of that color. It'll give you ideas on what to complement the color with. Similar colors, like this color, you can add it to the palette as well. If this is a palette that you really like, you can click the menu option at the top right and save it. And it'll be saved under the My Ideas tab, which we'll see later on. Now going back to the main menu, let's click on the Explore tab. Here it gives you the option to browse through the color wall and create your own palette, providing all the colors here. Simply click and begin adding different colors, as we did before. If you want the opinion of an expert or get some creative ideas, you can use the Color Collections option. This provides you with photos of rooms with specific color schemes and examples. So let's go ahead and save this palette. We're going to add the colors. Everything that you have saved, whether it was your own idea or a pre-existing one from the suggested schemes, will be found in the My Ideas tab. They're all saved under here. Lastly, under the Resources tab, they offer the paint calculator, which allows you to put in the dimensions of each wall and the paint number, which then tells you approximately how much you will need of each color before going to the store, so you won't waste your money buying too much or too little and have to take another trip to the store. Overall, I really enjoyed learning to navigate through this app. The only cons that I found were that if you want to apply an accent wall, you can't, because it only allows you to apply one color on each wall. Another con that I found is that you must make sure that the space is well lit, because it won't give you an accurate representation of the color if it's not. Overall, I think this is a great app. It's very easy to use and it's fun to play around with. If you're doing any renovations to your home, I think it would definitely be beneficial to you to give it a try.